guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time being here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys microloc styles that you can do in your hair. And if you like me or if you like this video, then click the thumbs up on this video so that I can know. Okay, so the first hairstyle is this style that I have right now. It's a half a half down, but I consider it like a lower half a half down. This is just super cute, and this is a go-to hairstyle. It's very quick. Sometimes I like to take a couple hairs out in the front and then like put on one of these little cute scarf headbands. I got this from Shein. Click on my Shein haul if you're interested. So the next hairstyle is just a middle part with the scarf. I do this sometimes. I showed y'all this in my last video, but now we're doing it with microlocs, so it's like different. I'm gonna take a couple out. I'm taking out 3 on each side. You put the rest behind your ear temporarily, just so you can like see what you're working with, you know. You're gonna take the scarf and you're gonna put it behind your ears. Boom, there you go. And I have so many of these little scarves. Like, this is so cute. Okay, the next hairstyle I'm gonna do is a low pony with like some hair out in the front, and then I have this random tiny lock that's always like just here to piss me off, so we're gonna just tuck that thing. Get your nice little low pony, and then there you go. This is one of my favorite styles too. I know I be saying everything's my favorite because I just love my locks so much. I feel like this is one of my best decisions I ever made. So the next style we're gonna do is 2 ponytails, half up, half down. I'm gonna keep these out in the front mainly because, like, I don't know, I just feel like 2 little like bangs, it makes every hairstyle cuter. Okay, this hairstyle is so freaking cute. I actually do not wear this hairstyle. I probably only wore this like one time, and it's like at home. I feel like this would be cute for like one of those Halloween costumes, like maybe if you were dressing up as like Harley Quinn or something like that. I think this would be a cute hairstyle. Okay, and then you can also just turn this into 2 space buns by just wrapping it around literally and making a bun. I like them to be messy, but like not sticking up like that. I feel like this bun is like up here and that one back there, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Make sure they're aligned right. And then yeah, I think this is like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse buns, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if I would call it space buns because it's half a half now. And this is like another super easy style. This whole video is going to be super easy styles because I'm not trying to stress y'all out. Stay tuned if you need like a style for your retwist, like the real styles. Okay, yeah, so the next style is a little bit more complicated, but it's super cute and like very much worth it. This is one of my favorite styles to do if I don't have a retwist, but like I'm going somewhere and I want my hair to look not so like crazy. So you're just gonna part your hair into 2 sections, and you're gonna braid both of them back and then put it into cute little space buns. And just be very careful when you're braiding your locks. If you don't have a retwist, try not to like entangle and like mix your locks up together, if that makes sense. Depending on how long you're gonna keep the braids in, you don't want them to get the pieces of hair conjoined all in the next lock. You don't have to braid it very neat. Literally, you can braid it messy because it's not supposed to be super neat. You're about to see in a sec. And on to the next one. You're gonna secure that with a ponytail holder. Grab another rubber band. Now I like to keep these messy like this. I think this is so cute, and sometimes I add boho pieces in. It looks pretty neat when you have a retwist, but like without a retwist it's cute too. My voice getting a little raspy, my bad y'all. Like the more I talk, the raspier my voice get. Knowing me, I didn't probably call all these hairstyles my go-to, but like my real serious my real go-to hairstyle is a messy bun. So I like to do a messy bun with either a hair tie that's been worn out. Like, you see the difference between these two? Yeah, but you can do it with an old hair tie or a big hair tie like that, so it doesn't pull on your hair too much. So the way I like to do my messy buns is I flip my head over and I finger comb my hair all the way up to the front like this. This is just to make sure like all of the locks are flat. But once I got it like this, then I take the big scrunchie from over here, put it around, literally tuck it. Like, you see that? Tuck it as much as you want it to be tucked. Let that junk go. And I really just wear this to school or like around the house where I'm going to run errands real quick. Messy bun is my go-to. By the end of the day, it's gonna not be a messy bun anymore. It's gonna be like something like that. So then my favorite ponytail is the mid ponytail. I had this ponytail in my back to school shopping video and I was just like swinging it. Every time I wear this ponytail, I'm literally swinging my hair. I cannot help it. I don't know. So this ponytail, you're gonna put it like towards the middle of your head, kind of like where your ears are. And then yeah, this is the ponytail. I'll be swinging it like. The only thing that irritates me about it is like my locks in the back are kind of too long, so I'll be wanting to cut them so that they all level out. I got 3 more hairstyles for you that I can't do in this video, but they're still a part of this video. I'm gonna put some pictures up and y'all gonna see where we're getting at with this, okay? First hairstyle is Bantu knots, the boho hair sticking out. That was so cute. I was so nervous to try that hairstyle, y'all. After I did it, I was like, oh, this is fire. It was too cute. And if you want to know how to do it, I have a video posted on my page. And the next style is a twist out. So you can do this with braids, twist, or Bantu knots. I also have another video posted on my page for how to do a Bantu knot twist out on Microlocs. The curls come out so cute. They're a little more messy. Curly locks is probably one of my favorite hairstyles to do, but it's just like I don't like waiting overnight for the hair to get curly. So lastly, boho twist, or any kind of twist over your locks. So I was scared to try this hairstyle too, but I did it for a YouTube video, mainly because I just wanted to like see how I will be with long hair, because I haven't had long hair in so long, and this is how it turned out. And of course, you already know what I'm about to say. I have the link. If you want to try any of those 3 hairstyles that were just mentioned but not shown exactly in this video, they will all be linked in the description box below, and any other microloc styles that you might want to try in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about me or my microlocs, comment below. I will do a Q&A at some point for this channel. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week. Bye. Super stretchy and has been tired. Oh, I done messed it up. Oh, okay, never mind. I ain't putting this in my hair. Or one of these. Kaziya. I'm breaking everything. I made the weird sticky stuff come out. Nope. Okay, and then for now, since we on another hairstyle. Cute. One of my faves. So now for the last 3 styles. Is this 3? The links in my bio, not my bio. Click the links in my like this. If you want to start kill me. Let's go to our notes. I wrote them out because I don't really be knowing.